How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. We're going to be talking about everything Hbar, bringing you guys daily Hbar updates. If you're enjoying these updates, don't forget to smash that like button. But if you're looking at the overall market, specifically over the last 1 hour, we're starting to see the market picking up, which again is really nice to see. If you're looking at it on a 24-hour perspective, we did see a retracement. If you did watch my XRP update, I'm sure you guys are aware of that. Yesterday was July 4th. The market was closed. Remember, CME futures being closed can actually have an impact on BTC. And, Bitcoin did see a little bit of retracement while the dominance did go up about 0.6% to be exact, which again is quite a large increase for dominance in a short span of time. So, that kind of sums it up as to, why we did see that retracement. But if you're looking at the price of Hbar, 15.53 cents, we're up 0.1% in Bitcoin. Comparative market cap at about 6.6 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $131.1 million. Before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So we're going to start off by taking a look at the dominance. I really just want to kind of give you guys a little bit of a better understanding as to what we're really looking at. You guys can see this for yourself. Since, July the 3rd, we saw an increase of about 0.6% for dominance. It's less than 24 hours, which of course is quite a large move for dominance. And if you look at BTC, Bitcoin, it did go down to the likes of $107,450, which of course makes sense why we did see that retracement. But I did indicate the fact that the price of Bitcoin was still holding above the 106,800 key support line. Now, pretty much still opens the door for myself, to see Bitcoin pushing up to the likes of the $109,000 in the next few hours to come. And as of now, you can clearly see Bitcoin has been able to reclaim back above 108,000, which is amazing to see. One thing I want you guys to be aware of is the $113,000 target for Bitcoin, which of course would be a new all-time high, but $5 billion worth of shorts could be liquidated at that range. Could whales really push that price of Bitcoin towards that range? I believe so, but we're going to take it one step at a time. But if you're looking at Hbar, Hbar is showing us some very interesting moves. And what I mean by that is you can clearly tell right away where we currently are. So we did see that pullback below the key support line, came down to the likes of 15.1 cents. We do have some support around that range. If you somehow got in around there, you did see Hbar go up about 2.3%. But look where we are as of recording this update. We talk about confirmations on my channel, on a daily basis. Yet again, more confirmation for you guys that, we are literally sitting right on the support line itself, which tells you how important this range is. We're not even sitting at a higher time frame or maybe a little bit higher. We're touching right at the neckline as of recording this update. Once again, more confirmation for us as to how important this range really is. And you really want to see the price of Hbar, closing this resistance into support, which would, project that, we could be filling that 16.2 cents wick and actually start heading up to the main levels around the 18.1 cents. And then, of course, the 61.8 as we have been discussing. But do let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.